Let me guess. You have time, but somehow it vanishes like your motivation at 2:17 p.m. Yeah, that's not laziness. That's your brain playing you. Today, I'll show you how to manage time so effectively it almost feels illegal. If time management advice ever sounded like wake up at 5 a.m., use 17 planners, just focus harder, that's not strategy, that's emotional damage. Your brain doesn't experience time logically, it experiences time chemically. And once you understand that, you stop chasing time and start controlling it. Secret number one, your brain doesn't see time, it sees energy. Here's the first cheat code. Your brain doesn't care about hours, it cares about energy levels. That's why 20 minutes of focus can feel like 3 hours. 3 hours of scrolling feels like 12 seconds. Science moment, but make it fun. Your brain runs on dopamine plus glucose. When energy is high, then time stretches. When energy is low, then time collapses. Cheat move. Stop planning your day by the clock. Start planning by energy zones. High energy, thinking, studying, creating. Medium energy, emails, organizing. Low energy, rest, walk, reset. Same 24 hours. Different results. Cheating. Secret number two, the fake start trick, brain hacked. Your brain hates starting. Not working. Starting. Why? Starting activates the pain center of the brain. Yes, literally. Cheat move. Never start the task. Start the pre-task. Instead of, I'll study for 2 hours. Say, I'll open the book and read one sentence. Once you start, dopamine releases. Momentum kicks in. And suddenly, you're in the zone like, wait, why is this working? That's not motivation. That's neuroscience. Secret number three, time blindness is real and not your fault. Ever thought, I'll just do this for 5 minutes. And boom, it's night. The sun is gone. Your life flashed before your eyes. That's called time blindness. Your brain is terrible at estimating time. Cheat move. Externalize time. Use timers, countdowns, visual clocks. One song equals one task. When time becomes visible, your brain suddenly behaves, like a toddler who noticed supervision. Secret number four, multitasking is a scam. Every time you switch tasks, your brain pays a context switch tax. Science says you lose up to 40% efficiency just by switching. Cheat move. Time block like a villain. One task, one block, no negotiations. You don't need more hours, you need fewer switches. That's how high performers look productive while doing less. Yes, cheating again. Secret number five, end your day before it ends. Most people end their day tired. Smart people end their day prepared. Cheat move, 2-minute rule. Before sleeping, write tomorrow's one priority. The first tiny step. Now your brain works overnight. You wake up already aligned. It's like preloading productivity. Reality check. Time management is not about discipline. It's about design. If your system sucks, willpower will not save you. Fix the system. Let the brain do the work. You don't need more time. You need better brain rules. Try just one of these today and watch your productivity feel suspiciously easy. If this helped you, your brain probably wants more science-backed cheat codes. So subscribe. We don't hustle here. We outsmart.